Which one's by far the best one? Swayze. YouTube, Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're just gonna be looking at adinross's top 5 freestyles on his stream. I don't know if you realize, but these guys hang out with all the rappers, and they ain't rappers. It's kind of crazy, but they visit the stream, they do their freestyle. We're gonna see which one is the best out of the top 5 too. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these you think is the best. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later. Trash. Trash, trash, trash. That's not fire. That's not fire. That's not fire. That's not fire. Look at Adin's face. These guys are so extra.
Listen, but your sister is a playtoy. You walked in and said, ain't no fucking way. No way, boy. No way, boy. Hey, look,
Adin ain't liking this freestyle.
I don't care because you still is my brother. I told you that. You know what I told you I love you. I always love you. I'm finna pass it to my AMP brother. Okay.
I said, I live in big lavish, big whopping, big dream. You see the squad, A&B, that's the team.
Okay.
Ross, you on live, and that's the stream. Getting paper, we getting crazy.
Yeah, that shit is fire. That shit was fire. I fuck with that one. I fuck with that one. That was good. Adin is stupid. Adin is so dumb. I'm dead.
Look, yeah, I'ma go in 1, 2, 3, just like Michael Jordan. I'ma shoot this 3. Lefty Lucy, call me Harden Curry. Yeah, I got 3s. You're a splashy, splashy. Eat that shit like a Laffy Taffy. Yeah, I'ma suck a. I'm sorry. Okay.
Hey, posted on Snapchat, bitches on bitches. Hey, I got that. Trying to stop that.
Blueface, baby.
Bop. Yeah, hey, Diddy. Say that shit back. Bust him down, get that shit back. Hey.
I know people beak about Blueface's flow. I think his flow is sick. I'm not gonna lie.
Come holla at me. 210 on the run, come holla at me. AP, I don't know what the fuck. What the fuck? I don't know what this shit costs. What the fuck? I'm a boss. Ross the boss. Yeah, ain't a Ross. Not a boss. I'm not a boss. What am I?
His beat's hard.
Okay, let me tell you motherfuckers about my life and how I grew up and shit. How I got out, motherfuckers. Let me tell you motherfuckers the story. This is called Shot of Flow 9.
Yo, I guarantee you Adin has said the word nigga before. Whether it's by accident or on purpose.
Okay, Shot of Flow 9. I had to shoot a fucking dime. 10. You're about to fucking die. Grab my Glock, and then I smack your bitch with my cock. And then I play that music. It's rock. I got a hard Glock in my pocket.
This nigga is so stupid.
I'ma take off like James Harden. I'ma rock it.
Okay.
I swear to God, no flocking. Bitch, it ain't no stopping. Big fucking speed, nigga. It ain't no clocking. Why the fuck you laughing, nigga? What's so fucking funny? Big fucking speed, nigga. And that shit so tummy up. Fuck, nigga. Big fucking speed and I fucking fart. Got a bad bitch and she always motherfucking fart. Little niggas on my dick and I just roll.
He lost me.
You dork. Hey, I got that 2 choppers of feeling me. You saying this a first degree. I need a murder scene. Yeah, I bet I need.
Lowkey, NLE shit goes hard, so I can't lie. Aye.
It's okay. I know where you left off though. Big Draco. We only have Big Draco, 2 Draco. girls in the room. Bring out the fucking broom.
Ah!
Shove it up my ass.
This nigga stay losing me, man. That's crazy. Mm. Mm. These beats are hard. Ah. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this by far is the best one so far. By this one's by far the best one. Swayze. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you damn do. What? Honestly, this shit's fire.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
This is a freestyle. What do you mean? Yeah, my hair blue, Adin hair is green.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Fuck this bitch, oh wait till she sing. Yeah, look at my chain. On y'all mean that man is tall. All my diamonds on me like stars will fall. She only want me cause I'm
I can't lie still. If Uzi's actually freestyling this shit like off the top, he definitely is greasy.
Oh shit.
He definitely is sick if this is actual legit freestyle. Oh, he tied up his do-rag like this because of Tory.
Clap, clap. She make it clap, clap. Yo. She make it clap, clap. She make it clap, clap. Go, Jazz. It's me. Paul D. Not anymore. Got a Dewey, A-Rag, in the seat, in the booth, in the geek. Yeah.
Smoking on packs, preferably black leprechaun. All of these hoes, they on my arms. All of these bitches, they know I'm a don. Stony bitches come back to the sixes. I spit threes like I'm playing with the sixes. Bad bitch like she playing with the mixes. Bad bitches keep playing with my jigs.
Yeah, Tory is that guy when it comes to this shit.
Chick trying to keep quiet. I got bad bitches trying to get by. Don't chill for a nigga get violent. Bad bitches and they come wild. Ayy, I see them motherfuckers smiling. 20,000 damn bitches on the island. 20,000 damn bitches going private. She make it clap. I got the strap. 21 gats. Feel like I'm savage. 21.
Yeah, this shit was hard still.
I'm gonna fuck me tonight, me a bad bitch. I don't give a fuck about niggas. I don't give a fuck about hoes. I don't give a fuck about your bros. I don't give a fuck about your toes, your hoes, your manicure, pedicure toes. I'm coming on the block with the rocks.
Yeah, this shit was hard when this dropped.
Doing that crazy ass shit. If I go to jail, I'ma keep a lock in the sock. I got that from Ken. All of my hoes they spend on me. All at the mall, I'm bending Benzes. 20-ish rims on ends. Bitches is coming to the mall and they going in frenzies. Looking at Tory, look at my story. All of these bitches, they look at me growing up fast like a nigga was 40. I don't even know what I'm saying, but tonight I'm about to take y'all bitches and have me an orgy.
Yo, definitely, it's Tory, Uzi. Who else was on there? Tory was definitely the top freestyle on this one. Tory, Uzi, and Ali was whatever. To be honest, he was alright though. But those two definitely up there. But let me know what you guys think, man. I'll see you guys later.